China coronavirus, Lunar New Year subdued as outbreak spreads. China is marking the Lunar New Year, one of the most important dates in its calendar, while concerns grow about the coronavirus outbreak. News script from BBC. As millions go home for the holidays, travel restrictions have been expanded to 13 cities, home to more than 36 million people, in Hubei province, the center of the outbreak. There are currently 830 confirmed cases in China, 26 of whom have died. The virus has now spread to Europe, with 2 cases confirmed in France. All clips may not represent the story. The first case was in Bordeaux, while the second was in the Paris area, the French health minister said on Friday night. Wuhan, where the outbreak began, is rapidly building a new hospital. The city, home to around 11 million people, is struggling to cope with the increasing number of patients. Watch to learn English as good as your mother tongue with latest world news. State-owned news outlet Changjiang Daily said the 1,000-bed hospital could be ready by the 3rd of February. A total of 35 diggers and 10 bulldozers are currently working on the site. The project will solve the shortage of existing medical resources and would be built fast and not cost much, because it will be prefabricated buildings, the outlet said. Videos have been circulating on social media, reportedly taken by Wuhan residents, showing long queues at local hospitals. What restrictions are in place in Hubei? Travel restrictions vary from city to city. Wuhan is effectively on lockdown, all bus, metro and ferry services have been suspended, and all outbound planes and trains cancelled. Residents have been advised not to leave, and roadblocks have been reported. Ezhou, a smaller city in Hubei, shut its railway station. The city of Anxi has suspended all bus services. And the rest of China? City officials in the capital, Beijing, and Shanghai have asked residents who return from affected areas to stay at home for 14 days to prevent the spread of the virus, local media report. Authorities have also shut major tourist sites including the Forbidden City in Beijing and a section of the Great Wall, and cancelled major public events in other parts of the country, including traditional temple fairs in Beijing, an international carnival in Hong Kong, Hong Kong's annual football tournament and all public Lunar New Year celebrations in Macau. Shanghai's Disney Resort is temporarily closing, as are McDonald's restaurants in 5 cities. On Thursday, a coronavirus patient died in northern Hubei province, making it the first death outside Hubei. Another death was later confirmed in northeast Heilongjiang province, more than 2,000 kilometers (1,200 miles) from Wuhan. Earlier, when the death toll was 17, information from China's National Health Commission said the youngest person who died from the virus was 48 and the oldest was 89. But 15 of the 17 were over 60, and more than half suffered from other chronic diseases including Parkinson's and diabetes. Just 4 were women. What's the global situation? French Health Minister Agnès Buzyn said one of the French cases, a 48-year-old man of Chinese origin who had been visiting Wuhan, had been hospitalized in Bordeaux. Little was known about the second case, in hospital in Paris, except that the patient had been traveling in China. It was likely other cases would occur in Europe, Ms. Buzyn added. Earlier on Friday a case was confirmed in Chicago, the second in the US. Singapore confirmed its 3rd case, known to be the son of another patient, also on Friday. Nepal recorded its first case on the same day. Thailand has 5 cases confirmed, Japan, Vietnam and South Korea 2 each, and 1 in Taiwan. Other nations are investigating suspected cases, including the UK, US, and Canada. The World Health Organization has not classed the virus as an international emergency, partly because of the low number of overseas cases. It may yet become one, said the WHO's Director General, Dr. Tedros Adhanom Ghebreyesus. Please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.